We're going to explain how to troubleshoot UTF-8 encoding issues in Eclipse and generally within Java. Chapter 1. Understanding UTF-8. UTF-8 is a character encoding that allows you to represent almost any character from any language. Problems arise when different parts of your system, Eclipse, your operating system, your database, etc., assume different encodings. 2. Eclipse project settings. In Eclipse, go to your project properties. Right-click your project properties. Then navigate to Resource and ensure the text file encoding is set to UTF-8. This tells Eclipse to save all your text files, like .java, .xml, .properties files, in UTF-8. 3. Java file encoding. While the project setting is crucial, individual files might have a different encoding. If a file is incorrectly encoded, it might show up with gibberish in Eclipse. You can change the encoding of a specific file by opening it in Eclipse, going to the file's properties, right-click the file properties, and specifying UTF-8. 4. File system encoding. Your operating system might use a different encoding than UTF-8. While you can't directly control the system encoding, setting your Eclipse project and individual files to UTF-8 will mitigate most issues. 5. Input and output streams. When reading from or writing to files, databases, or network connections, explicitly specify UTF-8. Use input stream reader, new file input stream file, standard charsets UTF-8, and output stream writer, new file output stream file, standard charsets UTF-8 in Java. This ensures consistent encoding throughout your data flow. 6. Database connection. If you're working with databases, ensure your database connection is configured to use UTF-8. This is usually handled through the database driver and its connection settings. Check your database connection URL and configuration options for encoding settings. 7. IDE settings. Besides project settings, make sure your Eclipse IDE's general encoding settings are also set to UTF-8. You can typically find these under Window, Preferences, General, Workspace, and set the text file encoding there as well. This will affect new projects and files. 8. Server-side encoding. If you're deploying your application to a server, ensure that the server itself, e.g., Tomcat, JBoss, and your web application, if applicable, are also configured to handle UTF-8 correctly. This is crucial for proper display of characters in web pages and other outputs. 9. Troubleshooting specific errors. If you see specific characters displaying incorrectly, e.g. the square boxes instead of letters, look at the error messages carefully. They might hint at the wrong encoding used. 10. Restart Eclipse. After making any encoding changes, restart Eclipse to ensure the changes take effect correctly. If you still experience issues, double-check each step meticulously, paying close attention to every component in the entire data flow from file creation to database interaction and final output.